Today we'll talk about how can you active Bluetooth to find neighbor device on your Spotify app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on settings and privacy here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just click here on privacy in social here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just scrolling down here. So until you will find your jam accesses with Bluetooth here. Click on activate here. So then you click on allow here. Then it's going to active with you on your Spotify app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.